Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 1st, and this is the analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So anyways, the US dollar yen did end up breaking structure yesterday and making a really nice push to the upside. I would assume that this is either wave A or wave one, which means we're probably going to get another push up. If we go all the way up to the daily time frame, I also think that we are going to break structure. I think price is going to go up and take out the high of wave four right here because I think this is the end of a wave B. I think this daily, weekly time frame is going to turn into an uptrend probably over the next several weeks to several months. So if that's true, then down here on these sort of time frames, we most likely already got the end of a correction. Like I was saying yesterday, I think this is a running flat right here. I think this is an ABC running flat. And if that's true, this potentially could be a wave one. Now, whether the wave two is over or not, I don't really think it is because this is five waves down. This actually might end up being something like this for more of a bigger wave two, maybe go down to a lower fib level. And then if it does bounce from a fib level and make a nice move up, hopefully it goes up and makes a wave three, and hopefully it goes up and gives us that daily time frame break of structure, which would really confirm that this is the end of a wave B and that we really are in an uptrend for a wave C on the daily time frame. So definitely keep an eye on your fib levels for a possible end of a wave two for hopefully the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.